Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to learn about past continuous tense. Let me try to share my screen with you. Please wait. Okay. As I have said yesterday when we learned about grammar, we usually use past continuous tense to talk about the action that was ongoing until a certain time in the past. This tense is used to talk about an action at a particular time in the past. Yeah, to show an action was in progress at the specific time in the past. For example, at 9 yesterday, and then when my dad came. Okay, let us see this picture in here at 9, yeah. I was doing my homework at 9 p.m. yesterday. Okay, so that is the example of past continuous. The format is subject plus was over plus verb A. Okay, for example, in here using subject I was doing my homework when the electricity went out. And then, so in here, we can see I was doing my homework is in progress. Later on, the electricity went out. How about the negative format? The formula will be subject plus was over, not and verb A. For example, he wasn't sitting when the teacher came. And then next, the yes no question, was over, subject plus verb in. In here, the subject you. Were you sleeping when the burglar entered your house? And then the last one is in WH question. WH question was over, subject and verb in. What were mom doing when the phone rang? Yeah, okay, so guys, one more time. Basically, the formula is subject. If the subject I, he, she, it, we will use were, was. Okay, one more time. If the subject I, he, she, it, we will use was and then verb ing. But if the subject you, we, they, we use were and then the verb ing. Yeah, as you can see here, I was working. You were playing. He was playing. She was talking. Okay, and then now we use the past continuous to talk about the past. First, about something which happened before, after another action. Now, for example, this one. The children were doing their homework when I got home. So in here, the children were doing their homework happened before I got home. Already start, but still in progress when I got home. And then I got home is happened after the children were doing their homework. But please remember the first action was still in progress. Let us see here the comparison. The children did their homework when I got home. So it means in this situation, the children did their homework and then they stopped when I got home. Okay, this use of the past continuous is very common at the beginning of a story. For example, the other day, I was waiting for a bus when I met him, for example, yeah. Last week, as I was driving to work, I saw a car accident. So you can see, I was driving to work, happened before a car accident. And then I saw the car accident, but I was still driving. And then one more is about something that happened before and after specific time, just like the first example. I was doing my homework at 9 p.m. last night. It was 8 o'clock when I was writing a letter. Okay, So it will be different with at 8 o'clock, I wrote some letters. So you just started to write some letters, but it was 8 o'clock, I was writing letters. So it means you had been writing the letter before and you were still continuing to write your letter after 8 o'clock. The third one is to show that something continued for some time. For example, my head was aching. Yeah, for example, your friend asks, why you didn't join the grammar lecture yesterday? My head was aching. So it means before the grammar lesson, when you had the grammar lesson, and after the grammar lesson, your friend head was aching. Okay, one more. Everyone was shouting. So it means, for example, when a teacher came into the class, everyone was shouting. Before the teacher came, when the teacher came, and after the teacher came, everyone was shouting. And then for something that happened again and again. Okay, so this I was practicing every day, 3 times a day. For example, the situation is you are going to have a performance for school graduation. Yeah, for example. So for example, Saturday was school graduation. Before that, you were practicing every day, 3 times a day. Yeah, I was practicing every day, 3 times a day for the school graduation. And then another example, they were meeting secretly after school. Uh, Maybe this is a story of what is it? A boy and a girl when they were in high school, yeah. And then they were always quarreling. So maybe this is about uh, best friends when they were in elementary school. They were always quarreling, not only once, but maybe every day. And then we can also use past continuous with verbs that show change or growth. For example, in here, the children were growing up quickly. Yeah? So it means uh, this is when parents or grandparents talking about their children or grandchildren. The children were growing up quickly. So like here, they were baby, they were toddler, and suddenly they were already in elementary school. Her English was improving. The town was changing quickly. Okay, so while you are paying attention for the use of past continuous, please also notice the formula. Yeah, hopefully you get used to the formula. Okay, now we don't use past continuous with stative verbs. For example, in here, stative verb is need. We cannot change need in, for example, in here, when I got home, I really didn't needed a shower. You cannot use I really was needing a shower. Yeah, we cannot use need with the ing form. Okay, in here, it is said that past continuous used to describe action that began is a short period of time after the action started. And then the formula for the subject, I, he, she, it, we use was plus verb plus ing. And then for you, we, they, we use were and verb ing. At 3, okay, we have this example already. At 3 o'clock yesterday, I was working in the garden for specific time. And then in here to talk about action to action taking place in parallel. But remember, the first one, the action that happened first will use past continuous, and the second one will use simple past tense. For example, in here, while I was washing the dishes. So I was washing the dishes is earlier. That's why using past continuous. While I was washing the dishes, I heard loud noise. And then to describe what someone was doing at particular point in time, yeah, just like the first example, now is about working in the garden. I was working in the garden all day yesterday. Yeah, so for example, your friend asked, uh, where were you yesterday? I was working in the garden all day yesterday. Actually, it can be used simple past, but if you use simple past, it means it only say, what is it? Kind of like short time. But if you say I was working in the garden all day yesterday, you emphasize, Anda menekankan bahwa sepanjang hari you were working in the garden. Nah, and then this one, to express interrupted action in the past. So, yeah, often the past progressive is will mixed with past simple, as we have give so many example before. I was driving to work was happening first, and then there was interrupted action. Ada kejadian berikutnya. I was driving to work when I crashed my car. Okay, and then I watched a movie while I was flying to Dubai. So of course, I had been sitting on airplane first, and then the plane was flying. While the plane was flying, I turned on the mini TV and I watched the movie there. So I watched a movie while I was flying to Dubai. Okay. Now this is about something repetition, yeah. Just we have discussed before. He always complaining in class. Now guys, by the way, we can use when or while to combine past continuous and past tense. The difference is when using when. I was driving to work always followed with simple past. Nah, we use while, it will be followed with past continuous. I was driving to work when I crashed my car. Atau kalau menggunakan while I was driving to work, I crashed my car. I watched a movie while I was flying to Dubai. Kalau menggunakan when, for example, what is it? I was flying to Dubai when I watched, what did I watch when I was flying? When I watched Top Gun gitu ya. Nah, this is the formula. For the positive, subject was over from egg. She was cooking all morning. Negative, she was not sleeping in when he came. Subject plus was were and not plus from egg. Now in here we have two action. Second one using participle past. The question, was she sleeping when he came home? Remember, we can use past continuous to describe parallel action. Ya, an action was in progress and then it was interrupted, kemudian diganggu oleh the second action. For example, in here, while I was washing the dishes, I heard a loud noise. Ya, ada diganggu, interrupted with I heard a loud noise. And then to describe about what someone was doing at particular point of time. For example, in here, I was working in the garden all day yesterday. Particular time-nya kemarin ya. I was working in the garden all day yesterday. And then to describe repetition and irritation. He was always complaining in class. So maybe in the past, when you were in elementary school, you have a friend and then your friend was always complaining in the class, not only once, but every day. Okay, so now let us see some example in here. What will be the answer? Jamie, blah, 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 in and out of love when he was a young man. Is it A, B, or C? Okay, because the subject is Jamie, so we will use was. Nah, and then we have to use was always falling, yeah, because usually the adverb before the adverb always will be put before the verb was always falling. And then this one, let's make question. What blah 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 at 8 o'clock last night? So in here, now because the subject you, we will choose were. And then because this is question, the formula is WH question, were, and then verb in. So the answer is WH question, were, subject, and verb in. Yeah. So the answer is, what were you doing at 8 o'clock last night? Now in here, we are going to see the subject I. When I got to work, I realized of course, the answer is I was not wearing my watch. And the last one in here, okay, the subject will be Rob and Rebecca. Of course, we are going to use were. And because this is WH question, so the formula will be WH question, were, subject, and verb in. So the question will be, where were Rob and Rebecca living when they had their first child? Yeah, so the answer is B. Now, how about this one? One of our teachers. Okay, guys, this is only one, yeah, one of our teachers. So it means either it is he or she. One of our teachers told us that we all, but in here, we, talking about us. We, yeah, we will use were. And then negative, it will be subject plus were plus not plus ing. So the answer is, we were not working hard enough. The answer is C. Okay, you can have your own exercise here using subject and then was over and then verb A. Remember the formula, remember when you make positive statement using past continuous, I, he, she, using was, and then you with they using were, and then followed by the verb ing for all subjects. Here are the example. I was sleeping at 11 p.m. last night. You were sleeping at 11 p.m. last night. He was sleeping at 11 p.m. last night. The children were sleeping at 11 p.m. last night. And then this is for negative. The subject I, he, she using was not. You, we, they using were not. And then we will continue with verb ing. Okay, so for example in here, I was not listening to music at 4 p.m. yesterday. You were not listening to music at 4 p.m. yesterday. Anna was not listening to music at 4 p.m. yesterday. We were not listening to music at 4 p.m. yesterday. Okay, next for question. Especially yes, no question. It will start with was and then followed with the subject I, he, she, or you start with were and then the subject will be you, we, there, and then verb ing for all subjects. Now this is a yes to no question. For example, were you listening to music at 4 p.m. yesterday? Was the boy listening to music at 4 p.m. yesterday? Were they listening to music at 4 p.m. yesterday? Yeah. Okay. So now you will try yourself to make some sentence about past continuous. So in here we have an action was in progress and then suddenly it was interrupted by something else. I will give you number 3, yeah, example for number 3. I was sleeping when an earthquake happened. Yeah, so that is for number 3. You can try for number 1, 2, and 4. Okay, so that would be all about past continuous. Hopefully it will be beneficial. Please forgive me if there are some mistakes that I have made.